What a roller coaster ride for TRCH investors. Hopefully will be the light at the end of the tunnel, because we saw now in the pre-market is actually doing good around the 8%, and as we predicted, we actually bounced from our support level precisely, guys. Hopefully you saw the video around the $4.75, and now the pre-market around the 5 and above the 5, and yesterday even we got the explosion around the $5.68, precisely around our resistance. As I told you, we're gonna test the $5.85. So what's that mean for TRCH for coming days? Because now we have at least a confirmation for our date of the merger at the end of this month, and the payout for the dividends today. So this is actually set the incentive to the market to go up, and that's why we see a buying pressure at the beginning market yesterday. So let's go right to it without further ado. As always tell you and promise you here, guys, no BS, no editing, straight to information, straight to the channel. So let's get right to it, guys. And as we did before in the last video, I told you this is the last support, the important support, and the fight for TRCH against the short sellers. And a lot of people ask me like what's gonna happen about the price, the dividends, and the merger. There's a lot of uncertainty. And now we see a bit of buying pressure, and price actually going up a bit after we saw a bit of confirmation for the date for the merger at the end of this month, and the payout by today. This is a set incentive for a bit holding above this important massive support, as I told you guys, and a test around the resistance level around the $5.88. Hopefully at the end of this month we're gonna see the price test at least here the $6.60, guys. Here we're gonna see a massive squeeze. Is everything actually good? Again, guys, as I said, panic, and people actually buying without doing the due diligence, or the people actually just buying for quick profit. That's what drop any stock down and may have the snowflake effect, like what's happened here, because a lot of people bought here without knowing, because they just want a quick profit. And but we actually got a lot of and the short sellers use this like a parameters. When they see a bit of FOMO in any stock, they come in and just short the stock. This is normal, guys, and don't take it under even the short sellers, because they want to make money, and everybody want to take money for you. And the new trader, they just buy when the price is overextended or in bubble mode, and the short sellers have a different point of view. When they see a big jump and this they look at the fundamental and they see is not actually correlated to the price of the stock, they step in and short. But it depends. If you want a massive squeeze, you have to have a lot of people actually buying and not selling, so you have the short seller have to actually cover the short position, and this is what actually accumulate the price and make the price jump, because the short sellers actually buying and the investor actually buying and holding, and this is have a parabolic effect like what happened to AMC. And hopefully we see it again to TRCH if we hold this level, and again with the good news and the merger and dividends will payout will be good. We're gonna see the price actually squeezed right at $6.60. So I believe the price will be having a massive turnout and a massive price action movement and volatility whenever actually see the price go at $6.60, and predict that will happen at the end of this month after the merger. We're gonna see a big volatility if we hold the $4.75, as I said in the last video, guys. This is a really important things to note, and always tell you here, guys, at my channel, be patient, never buy in a FOMO mode. Be ready to hunt when you see a big jump. You get in fast, quick, and like before the price action actually go overextend. Really important to note, guys. Never buy when we see overextending your price. Buy before the price go. If you are interested to find stocks before actually exploding, or at least to minimize your risk when we see a big jump like this, when you get out and when you average down, when actually the market maker buy and we see a massive pressure, and you can ride the wave with this kind of trade. Join us in our Patreon and comment section below. Our hands is getting bigger every day, 26 by today. So join us and let's hunt for exact price value. We can actually discuss your strategy that you have right now. If you don't have a strategy, we can build one for you. At the same time, we can see look at your portfolio and try to minimize your loss and maximize your gain, and you'll be having access to the Discord channel. I told you guys I will update you pre-market, after market, so hit the notification, like, and let's get ready to hunt, guys. See you in the next video.